इसलिए तो हमारा देश महान है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल and a very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Nusrat Inamdar from class 8. Today my topic name is national unity. What is national unity? National unity is a situation where people diverse culture, region, language, political, social and economic systems brought together to have a common goal. Do you know why nationality is important? Nationality is important because a country with nationality will always flourish and develop. We should develop national unity in our country. How can we develop? We can develop national unity through racial diversity, unity in education, unity through sports, unity during festivals, unity in nation building, unity through consultations, etc. We can promote national unity in our societies, in our schools, in our cities, etc. How can we promote? We can promote national unity by in the following ways: tolerance for each other, irrespective of religious and ethnic affiliations, showing hospitality especially to the strangers. At lastly, I would like to say that ना वो हिंदू लिखेगा ना वो मुसलमान लिखेगा, ना वो हिंदू लिखेगा ना वो मुसलमान लिखेगा, एकता की गीत हर जवान लिखेगा। धर्म, भाषा, मजहब और मुल्क को तो हमने बांटा है, धर्म, भाषा, मजहब और मुल्क को तो हमने बांटा है, बहेगा खून सरहद पे तो हिंदुस्तान लिखेगा। थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी सच अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी।